Okay, let's create a scene. First of all, I'm gonna drag the all girl BP all girl now lady. It also takes time. Yeah, if you're using the MetaHuman, always like taking time to open or place it or something. Neighbor missing. Oh gosh, I need to restart now again. Okay, now I back to the Unreal Engine. So I'm gonna change the location and the 50, 10, minus 19. Here the rotation is y is minus 70, and I'm gonna add the spotlight, and what x is 370, y is minus 119, 80, and that is 265, and the rotation y is to 167.3, and y is minus 29. It equal 153.6, and then intensity is 15, inner is 6, and the outer is 25. All right, so also I'm gonna add the brain. Also I'm gonna change the location 0, 7, 53.9, and change the rotation 180, minus 90, and 180 to 0.25 and 2.25, and then I'm gonna add the cine camera, cine camera actor, and also I'm gonna change the 260, 10, and then 57, and they change the rotation, so Z is 180. Okay, cool. And I'm gonna change the film back because it's like a portrait 50, 20, and also I'm gonna change the focal length is 100, and the aperture is 4, and then I'm gonna change the focus setting probably 200 or something. Cool. Also I'm gonna add the post process, so I'm gonna post process visual effect post process volume. Okay, so first of all I need to check on the infinity extent, so I'm gonna change the bloom first. So bloom, check on that, check on, and change the 8, and next vignette. So if you go to the image effect, and the vignette intensity is 1. Also I'm gonna change the global contrast and the 1.17, and I'm gonna also change the shadow, and I'm gonna go to the offset and I'm gonna type minus 0.03, and also I'm gonna disable auto exposure as always. If you watch my YouTube video, I always like disable like auto exposure. So okay, I'm gonna make the plain material. So I'm gonna go to the content folder. I'm gonna add the new folder. I'm gonna call it and then create a material and wall. First I'm gonna add the texture coordinate, and then I'm gonna add the multiply, and then I'm gonna add the texture sample. So I'm gonna select so I'm gonna type the noise, probably they have a tiling noise or something. Tiling noise. Yes, tiling noise. The 5. And then next, so I'm gonna move it to here. I'm gonna add the mask component, so which I can use the RZ, so it's like a UV. I'm gonna add the subtract, and I'm gonna call it the 0.5. So because I want to make the like a kind of polar coordinate, so I'm gonna add the length, and I'm gonna add the multiply, and then I'm gonna add the smooth step, and then I'm gonna hang up here 1 minus, and I'm gonna add the multiply and connect it here, and I'm gonna add another multiply and here, and I'm gonna select type 0.01, and I'm gonna add the at node and connect it here. Okay, and next one is I'm gonna click on the 3 and click, and I'm gonna change this one. Yeah, whatever you want. So I'm gonna add the multiply, and then I'm gonna connect it to here, and I'm gonna add the add node and 0.02 or something, and I'm gonna connect to the base color, and also I'm gonna add the this node, and if you click on the 1 and click, you can get this node, and I'm gonna change the 1 to, and I'm gonna connect to the roughness and apply save, and also I'm gonna make the material parameter collection, so MPC wall. So I'm gonna open this one. I'm gonna add the element of the scalar and open that, and the name is texture size. Default value is 1, and I'm gonna add another one, and the name is center width, so default value is 5. Okay, and then I'm gonna drag and drop the material parameter collection to the material node, and I'm gonna select the texture size and connect it here, and also I'm gonna copy and paste it here. That's the parameter name is center width, and I'm gonna connect it here. Okay, I'm gonna change it. Can change it and apply and save it. So, and then I'm gonna drag to the drop to here. Yes, change that. Okay, so next we're gonna make the rebel sequence. So let's go to the folder, and I'm gonna add the new folder, and then I'm gonna call it cinematics, and dive into it, and I'm gonna add the level sequencer. If you go to the cinematics and level sequence and level ls on gallery, and I'm gonna open up. Okay, so first of all, I'm gonna add the cine camera. So actor to sequence, and add to cine camera actor. So okay, now we can get the cine camera, and next is yeah, obviously we need to add this wall girl. So I'm gonna add the actor sequence and the BP wall girl, and then we don't need to MetaHuman control league, so I'm gonna delete, and also I don't need to face control league, I'm gonna delete. Instead of that, I'm gonna add the animation track. So I'm gonna search the scary. So if you see that, so it's a little bit short. So I'm gonna change the duration to, so for example, 500. Okay, and I'm gonna extend the length to here. Yeah, and then the head and then body doesn't connect it right now. So you can connect this body, but it's like in this case, the head moving like a lot. So I don't want to use this body. So I'm gonna go to the outliner and the BP go and details panel. So I don't need to body. So I'm gonna disable invisible this body, and then also I don't need to torso invisible, and don't need to legs invisible. I don't need to feet invisible. So and then I after scary, and I also want to add one more animation. So I'm gonna add the animation as well. So animation, and this is the same animation. Okay, and I'm gonna move it here, and I'm gonna extend it here because I want to loop this animation. So the first is here, and I want to connect it to here. So, but it's like as you can see, dun, 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 dun. It's a little bit different at the first frame. So I want to like a smooth here. So it's not, don't worry, it's not difficult. So I'm gonna key, no, yeah, and I'm gonna open the here, and they have a weight, and then we can set the weight. So now it's here is a 1, and I'm gonna move the cursor to last frame of the animation, and I'm gonna click on this one and change to the 0, and also I'm gonna click on this one. So if you change the value of the keyframe, it allows us to change it automatically. So that's super useful. So now here, so next animation is a 0, and I'm gonna add the keyframe, and then go to last frame, and in scary, next scary, and I'm gonna change the weight is 1. So now, yeah, we can blend for looping. Okay, cool. Okay, so next is I want to change the material. So I'm gonna add the element 0. Yeah, and then I'm gonna add the concealer makeup color, and we can change the and I want to change at the here. So I'm gonna move it to here. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna add the new keyframe, and here I'm gonna add the new keyframe, and here is the 0.1, and R is 0.1, and the G is 0.0, B is 0. So look at the around the eyes, it's more scary, right? So and I want to change the color again. So I'm gonna move the color around here and paste it, and I'm gonna copy the normal color around the end. Okay, cool. So next is okay, I'm gonna add the foundation makeup color. Okay, this one, and I'm gonna move it up here, and this is the general color. And next is I want to change the color. Okay, I'm gonna add a new keyframe, and I'm gonna select this frame and then 0.71 and G is 0.3 and B is 0.3. Okay, it's more scary. And I'm gonna copy this one and I'm gonna move it here and paste it here. And also I'm gonna copy the normal color to the larger one and move it, change to the normal, back to. And next, this is, and also to change the lip color. So I'm gonna add the lipstick color LLL. Okay, and this is a normal color. I'm gonna move it to here, and then I'm gonna add the new color. And I want to use the like a dark color for lipstick, so outlet is 0.05, G is 0, and B is 0.01 or something. And I'm gonna copy 3 here and then move here and paste it. And I'm gonna copy the normal color. I'm gonna press the shift and then select and Control C, and then I'm gonna move it here and make sure I already select the lipstick color and paste it. Okay, so scary. Okay, next is super important. So I'm gonna add the new material element. So that is a material element 3, I think. So it's for eye. So if you see the intro, the eye become the like entirely white. So that's a really good effect to scary people. So I want to implement that briefly. So I'm gonna use the iris UV radius. Okay, and then move it here. This is a 0.5, and then I'm gonna move it to here, and I'm gonna add the new keyframe, and I'm gonna change the, I think that -7.5 or something. Yes. And then I'm gonna copy this one, and I'm gonna move it to here and paste it. So I'm gonna copy this one and paste it to the last. So now left eye, change the white. Okay, cool. So I want to do the same thing for right eye, left eye, which one? Okay, so I'm gonna add the element 4, and then what we're gonna do is I'll add the iris UV radius, and this time I'm gonna delete this keyframe, and I'm gonna copy this full frame, copy, and then here paste it here. So yes, okay, cool. So just in case, I'm gonna save it and save it, and okay, right. Okay, I'm gonna add the post-process volume to the sequencer, and I'm gonna use the setting to color midtone and the contrast, and then go into the point we want to change, and this is a normal contrast, and that is okay one. And then next here I'm gonna also add here, but it's change the value to 1.5, so it's more like darker. It's cool. And then I'm gonna copy this one and move it here, and then paste it here, and also copy the first one and then move it here and then paste it. No way, paste it. Okay. Oh wow. Okay, cool. Okay, last the material parameter collection and then PC wall that we made for the wall, and then I'm gonna move it here, and I'm gonna the center width, and the first is not 5, so I'm gonna use the 3, and next is I'm gonna add the new keyframe, and then to change the value to 17. Okay, and I'm gonna copy this one and then move it here, and then select the center width and then paste it, and also I'm gonna copy the first one is 3 and then move it to here and then paste it. Okay, so now they have a contrast, but I want it to first for the back wall, so I'm gonna move it here. Okay, that's what I want. And also I'm gonna change the here and here. Here. Alright, cool. So now we can make the this video. Next, I'm gonna render this video. So I'm gonna go to the render this movie to the video, and I'm gonna use the AVI and resolution. I'm gonna change the custom one. I'm gonna render. I'm gonna change the size to width is 20. No, 1200 and then 1600. Okay, and then you can choose the output directory. So now I'm gonna use the new directory, specific directory. So here, and then you don't need to change here. So and then capture movie, and I'm gonna save the select, and then they start rendering. I don't think. Wait, what happened? Oh, I see. I need to extend the camera cut here. Okay. Sorry. Okay, let's do it again and render the same for the capture video. Okay, finished. So in Unreal Engine, it's done. So let's go to the touch designer. So I'm gonna close the Unreal Engine and I'm gonna open the touch designer. So in touch designer, we want to make it to interact. So I'm gonna delete this one, and I'm gonna add the movie file in, and we're gonna import the movie that we rendered in Unreal Engine. So now I have it here like this one. Yeah, the size is correct. Okay, so make it interactive. I'm gonna change this cube, and I also want to trim the little bit. So let 0.2. If you don't need it, you don't need to do that. First, for me, I want to trim just a little bit. Okay, so I'm gonna use the video device in. Okay, and then I'm gonna add the movie. No, I'm gonna change the resolution. For me, my resolution. Oh my gosh, resolution is 1280 and 720. It's a little bit big for me. I'm gonna click on the high quality resize, and I'm gonna change the half. So it's 640 and 360. Let's go. So I'm gonna change the level. No, I'm gonna add the level, and I'm gonna change the little bit brightness. It's for your you can change it for your environment. The room is dark, so I want to change it in like brightness or gamma or something. Okay, next I'm gonna use the NVIDIA background. Yeah, they can trim the my body shape, and that's cool. And I'm gonna add the blob track. This is almost like the same logic with the previous interactive video. I think it's not. It's a super easy solution. If you have a Kinect or real sensor or something, it's going to get. Probably someone doesn't have it, and also so I need to more use like a easy way. So I'm gonna change the constraint. So 0.117, and the maximum one is 0.67. Okay, so now it's detect. So if you click on this one, we can see the blob, the information of the blob. So I'm gonna use the this one. So I'm gonna add the select, and I'm gonna change the select low to 1, so I can now only get the 1, and I'm gonna add the execute, and then the blob tracker detect the one blob. We're gonna pulse the movie file in. So if we like click on the pulse, they start from the beginning. So that's what I want. And also I'm gonna change the trim here. Extend light is hold. And also I'm gonna add the new chop, and I'm gonna add the constant. The name is parameter, not parameter, but it's okay. And the name is playing. Okay, so I'm gonna write the code here. So in the table change, okay, if par dot value 0 equal 0.0, so we're gonna parse the movie filing, and movie file in 1 dot q pulse dot pulse and parentheses. If we start the movie, we're gonna change the is playing. So dot par dot value 0 equal 1, and I'm gonna drag the dot select to the dot, and then they start and is playing, but we can't off there is playing, so it never start again, right? So I want to change this one. So I'm gonna add the info chop from the movie file in. So and then I'm gonna add the select. So what we're gonna select is last frame. So last frame, if I parse the movie file in 0, but if the movie stopped, the last frame going to be 1, so we can use it, right? So I'm gonna the chop execute, and then drag the select to chop, and I'm gonna off the value change, and I'm gonna turn on the off to on, and this is so simple. So in the off to on, so off dot value 0 equal 0. That's it. So now I'm going to change the 0, and they started again because the blob tracked one blob. If the blob tracked the detected blob, and start again, and it's I can make the loop. Okay, now I'm gonna add the level. So it is also used for the projection. So I'm gonna make it a projection. So I'm gonna add the node. So probably it's it depending on your projector or your environment. So now I'm gonna show you in for my environment. Okay, so I want to use the projector rotating the 90 degrees. So to do that, I'm gonna use the fit. I want to change the resolution to 160 to 160 100 and then what? No, 1600 and then 2000. And I'm gonna rotate here, and I'm gonna change the translate order. So scale, rotate, translate. And then I'm gonna using the fit best and the scale. No, I'm gonna change the both scale like this one. Okay, cool. So I'm gonna use another bit here. This is for projector size. So my projector is 1920 and 1080. And then I'm gonna add the stoner for projection. So I'm gonna open the palette, and then I'm gonna go to the mapping, and then you can see the stoner here, and then drag and drop to the viewport. And then I'm gonna connect to the stoner, and I'm gonna add the transform and change the background color to tick. And then I'm gonna add the node. And the last one is window. And I'm gonna drop to window operator to 1. And I'm gonna turn off the borders. And I'm gonna use the fill for the open size. And then if I connect the projector, and you can open the image to projector. So I'm gonna click the stoner for the projector. So okay, I finished correcting the projection, and I also changed the scale of the fit. So next is super important for me, because if you like a project only this image, so it has a lack of the immersion. So because the painting is not real, it's a projection. So I want to more like a realistic. So what are we gonna do is I'm gonna add the fake light shape around the paint. So to do that, I'm gonna add the circle and change the resolution to same resolution of the projector, and I'm gonna change the radius to 0.35 and 0.25. Okay, and I'm gonna add the blur and the precincts 8, filter size 50. It's fucking big. And I'm gonna add the level, and I want to change the opacity to around here, and I'm gonna add the over and then connect it to here. So it's like this is a kinda light shape. So this is for more like a realistic and the immersion. And then I'm gonna place the computer here, and then if you press the computer near the paint or this wall, so it's going to be more interactive, like a real interactive. So if you use the like a webcam, and if you like install in the painting wall, so it's better. It's better. And then I used this like a flame paint this is frame, and because like this detail is a like a good for like Halloween. And also this is super cheap. I got the this one from Dollar Kama, and I had to tape behind the flame, and I just put it. It's super simple. It's super easy. So you don't need to buy like a more expensive stuff. Projector is expensive. I don't know. Yeah, but yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching my tutorial. So yeah, sometimes I make the tutorial for like a Halloween or Christmas or something, and then you can do it interactively in your place. Someone really like that, and if you say, "Oh, I made it," so everyone impressed to you, so it's really good idea. And then if you like this video, please subscribe my channel or push like button. And if you have any request or comment, please leave your comment in the comment section. Okay, see you guys.